Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we have started to polish the sub £1,000 7.
But halfway through, 1% through, we was stopped by the postman and he delivered our clear side repeaters or indicators. And
The reason for this was why?
because it annoys Dad that we orange ones on the side, really.
It's a pet 8 of mixed lights, like clear and gingers.
So, these was cheap off eBay. We're going to get them looking this
Sunburnt, yeah.
And we're going to get them fitted. So if that might interest you, stick around and enjoy this journey. These are the side repeaters. That's one, and this is the t'other. So these have just fell through but right to the box. So this is the first time looking at them. I'm going to polish them up and get them fitted. We've got some balls as well. So just off camera, I did this one by hand. Now I'm going to do this one to show you. It's alright, eh?
Cheers.
What I'm going to do is get some. What? It's 3,000, isn't it?
3,000, yeah.
I'll get some 3,000 and just take the oxidisation off. You can see oxidised the colour in the water when you're rubbing it. Now this is how far do you really go with it. You can see it's a bit dull. I polished up now using Turtle Wax new hybrid solution chemical polish and wax. So we're using wet sanding marks, not normal marks. So the bigger lights, I'll just use the buffer really to get the shine back up. One more go. Now, as soon as you start wet sanding, it don't really matter how far you really go. It's your time and what you're looking for, really. I just wanted to smarten these up a bit, didn't we, Pa?
That's correct.
We were looking for like white
Perfection.
We just wanted to make them look
Presentable.
more presentable than they was. You could wet sand these back and polish up with a buffer, and you could give it out like, but I'm just looking for that really. So let's go over to the car and fit them. Here we are here, the side of the sub £1,000 7.
Yeah.
I think I've got the mark you want.
I think you have. So, with the official BMW screwdriver,
Which would be in the boot of your car.
which should be, this is a nice mint one. Yeah. You get the flat edge. And you put it there.
Just let me stop and talk
Yeah,
to us.
we
A
did.
nice fella on a nice bike.
Yeah. So
I'm
we
going to
carry
go back
on.
to it.
So, screwdriver, flat end, put it in there, and you give it a little jiggle, like that, and it will come out, like so. Just give that a little pull, a little jiggle you got. And maybe, yeah, I can see. There's a little tab, so it's released it with your thumb, like that, and then either way it'll go, that's it.
It's the first time we've changed these on a 7. Everything we do is the first time because we've never had a 7 Series before.
We have not. And I think that is. Yeah, it is. I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it was right. Was making
I was having nightmares and the facelift was different to pre-facelift loads.
Yeah. So it is right. Put that in like that.
And that is done. Next side.
That's
Again.
it. Give it a little twirly. That's it. Like so. And there again, you've got a little like ring. Pull it out with your finger like so. Like that. And this time we're gonna get it in the right way. Like so. Tabs in. Like that.
And that is the lights fitted. And how's your LCD, Pa?
It is much better. A lot better.
That does look nice now. Now,
better.
unlike the E34, I do like clear lights on the 7.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Well, with them wheels anyway.
Yeah.
Now on the other 7, I like the orange with the little wheel. I think it looks more, well, it gives that more sportier look. Well, clear. So we've got clear lights now, just to make sure we're all wired up properly. Lovely.
And there we have.
Check the other side. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think the only thing to say is thank you for watching. There'll be another video uploaded very shortly. But until next time.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.